Hello YouTube. Today we got a firework comparison video. Brown bloom flowers, dynamite, M1000, angry owl, mamba, stingers, Firecracker, brown bloom, silver cracker, crazy Kobe, brown wrap. These are triple A's or double A's. Zuki, firepower, crazy Kobe, fizzy sticks, gangster, this one, bunny ears, neon viper, aliens, and thundercracker. Okay, started off, we got stinger. Next is the brown wrap. Next we have Zuki. Pretty good. Angry elf. Zippos suck. Oh, that was decent. Okay, next we got Mamba. Come on, light, there we go. Dud. Okay, so we're gonna go further down the line. We're gonna try out Crazy Kobe. These fuses are garbage. There we go. Okay, that was decent. Going to... This is a little Uzi. Didn't mean to put this in the video, but here we go. Okay, decent. That one could have been for the end, really. Alright, now we got Crazy King. These are the whistles. I like these. Cool. Then we got Silver Cracker. I was given this. I'm not sure if it's good or not. No shade to throw. Oh, Cobra Cracker. Dud. Fuse went out. Okay, we're gonna go a little further down the line. We're gonna try out these firepower. Oh shit! Okay, that's why we went further down the line instead of going right back to the next one. Firepower. These ones are good. Oh yeah. Felt that one. Okay, now we got, oh, this one, ground bloom flower. These are short fuses, but these aren't actually ground blooms. Yeah. I mean, for $3 for 10 of them, I can't complain. Okay, now we got fizzy sticks. The wannabe sugar cookies. I wanted to put some of them in the video, but I wasn't able to find any I had left. See, I mean, they're still fucking good, but it's just not quite as good as the sugar cookies. Neon Viper is next. Next we have bunny ears. Whatever this one is, I haven't found anybody on YouTube who can pronounce it right. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. I'm gonna go over to Gangster Cracker. These are herd of good. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna relight this fuse since it never lit. What one was that? Whatever it was good. Now we got, these are like double A's, I think is what they're called. Straight from China, apparently. Like that means anything with fireworks. See what this does. Decent. Okay. Now coming into the end, we got the Alien and the Thundercracker left. Thinking we'll do the Alien first, since I was kind of disappointed with these for the size. So that was the Alien. That was best by far. So far, better than the Uzi. But for the size, those should be louder. Alright, now I got Thundercracker for finale. That wins by far. Okay, we ended up doing a little Uzi, so you gotta finish it off with a coconut bomb. See how that is compared to the Thundercracker. I'll let you know. My God, that beats the Thundercracker.